friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Goku from Dragon Ball Z. All right, so his hair, his head, is gonna be right up here, like this, and it's got a lot of hair, a lot of crazy. It's like a crown. All right, and then he's got these shoulders, comes down, got a little waist here, comes back, got a little big arm here, very strong looking arm, muscular. Okay, and there's his hand, and then this side it comes around, comes back, got another fist here. There we go. And then he's got like a little thing here. Okay, and then he's got, looks like he's got some boots on. I think I'm gonna raise the waist up a little bit. Give me some more room down here. I know this looks like chicken scratches, doesn't it? It's just so I know I can get the whole thing on. I don't think I'm gonna get that leg on. All right, so now that I've kind of got my proportions set, I kind of know where stuff is, all that. Now I'm gonna start drawing it. Okay, so to start with, I'm gonna start with his hair and just kind of work my way down. So I'm gonna do some little zigzags, Gonna come down, put a little C ear here. I'm gonna come down, come back up. Got a little ear here. Okay, then we got a little zigzag, big zigzag, big zigzag. Man, this guy's got to use some product to keep it like this. There we go. All right, then for his eyes, he's got very furrowed brows coming up like this. We'll just zigzag that. There we go. Then we've got some rounded eyes. Little eyeball there. Same thing over here. Coming up. Backing up like so. Got his eyeball here. Then for the nose, we're just gonna like that. And then for the mouth, just like that. Okay. Then we've got a very muscular neck. This guy must work out all the time. Okay, so that's part of the neck, and then the neck goes like so. And then this other side comes straight down. And then we've got some clavicle, kind of collarbone-age stuff here with some more muscles because he's so strong. All right, then his shirt comes over here and comes straight across, well, diagonal. Then we have his other side of his little wrap thing over here, comes down. And then he's got a shirt on under that that comes across. And then that goes down, down, down. And then it comes like straight out. Comes down. And then we've got this very skinny waist, like that. And we've got some little tie things coming down. Tie things coming down. And then it has its bottom of the jacket. And we have some lines coming up. Okay, so then on this side, comes up, a little down, comes up quite a bit more because he's holding his arm up. And then it comes around like so, and comes down, And we've got quite a bit of folding here. And then it looks like we have a circle logo here. All right, and we got some lines coming off here. Okay, then the arm comes down, comes back up and around, and it comes up like this. And then we've got like a I want to say bracelet. There's probably a word for it. I don't know what it is though. And then we have a little shoulder coming here, and we have like the shirt. So this is shirt, skin. Okay, then we have the wrist coming out like that. Then we have bumpity bump bump, and we have bumpity bump bump like that. It's kind of a weird hand position. And we've got some lines coming down from the hand. All right, now for this arm, we've got a little shoulder here. And we got a little bicep here. And then we got a line coming out from here. And there's the bracelet. Okay, like so. And then this arm, the hand on this arm, bump, 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 comes up. And then we've got some lines. And then it comes in here, because he's got his hand like folded. And then there's his little thumb right there like that. So he's clenching. All right. Now for the pants. So the pants are gonna come down, curly, curly. Coming back up. Almost, yeah. They go way up and then they come back down. Here's the boot. And then they can pop back out. Curly, curly. And then they've got fold lines. There we go. And then the boot comes down, heel, out, around, back up. It looks like it's got like some tread on it. And it looks like there's some like other stuff here. It's very dark, it's hard to see. There we go. Then on this side, the boot comes down, down, and then it comes around and points, and then it comes back because it's foreshortened. And we got a little something special on there. All right, and let's put this guy on the ground. And there we go. There is Goku from Dragon Ball Z. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.